Schoolcraft, you already know, nigga. I do this for my nation, man. Fuck these niggas, man. I'm off this shit. These niggas, they not real, so how could I relate? The chopper hold 100, that's a murder case. Fuck the judge, tell him I just beat the case. My niggas in the field and we ain't gon' play. Schoolcraft Nation, it's a celebration. We getting money, take vacation, boy, we need it all. Fuck it, nigga, these last couple days I'm gon' ball. Cause I want it all, and I never fall. Hey, fuck niggas, that's nigga why I don't trust niggas. Nowadays you can't trust niggas, that's why. It's just us, nigga, right here. And I'm up, nigga. 20 G's for this tuck, nigga, right here. I will bust niggas, I don't give a fuck, I can't trust them. Disrespect me, disrespect. Motherfucking craft niggas shooting at you, come to the trap, telling you we take it all, nigga. Hey, fuck you, cause I'm packing steel. I swear to God, this Jack and Jill, and this money I'm getting, I'm packing steel. I swear to God, and I'm back and heel. Back and forth to the fucking trap. Swear to God, nigga, I'm just sucking rock. Everybody hating on me, nigga. I'ma make it to the motherfucking top. Yeah, I'm at the bottom, but I ain't gon' fall. I don't give a fuck, cause I need it all. I got a daughter, and I'm a fucking ball. You know that she need it all. She need diapers, milk, nigga, and clothes. I don't give a fuck. I'm on the stove, I'm whipping up. You call it O's. These niggas hate, they ain't getting pros. I'm telling you, I'll take their life. I ain't even gotta think twice. It's one time, you one strike. I ain't playing with you, I'll take your life. Hey, nigga, disrespect twine. I'm telling you, you're groupie too. I'll fuck you and your groupie hoe. I'm telling y'all goofy too. Hey, fuck y'all losing nigga. Hey, fuck y'all losing nigga. Y'all can fuck with twine, I'ma do it, boy. And I swear to God, I'll abuse the beat. They can't fuck with me. This shit don't relate, I swear to God, I need to eat. I need everything on play. And these niggas, I ain't playing, I need everything on play. Disrespect me, that's okay, cause these niggas in my face. Hey, I'm telling you, when she call me conversation, we have it, I'm telling her, yeah, we relate. She bad as hell when she be saying she be crazy. She getting money, she say she do it for the nation. I said, baby girl, now you sounding crazy. You sound like me. How the fuck you tryna have my baby? This bitch is dumb, man. You stupid. Is you fucking crazy? I'm getting money, bitch, and I already got a baby. Why you tripping? Yeah, my blood's in my hands itching. I swear to God, that money I need it. This shit is essential. If you ain't getting money, nigga, why the fuck you in it? Why the fuck you talking? I'm telling you, I'm gonna spark it. This K, I get to walk into his apartment. I'm telling you, I'll park this K nigga at his apartment. I shoot his fucking daughter in the head. That's my target. Hey, niggas think I'm playing. I'm insane. I'm retarded. And these niggas gon' learn. I'm telling you, I done learned already. Cause I done got chopped at with a K. Nigga, if you think this shit is a game, you better quit. Cause I'm telling you, don't be a loser, nigga. Be a bitch. Cause you don't want this life. I swear to God, you can't think about it twice. You can't go back and win this shit. Telling you can't switch it. Nigga gotta stay the same. And I swear I can't change. Nigga, I can't change for shit. All I know is guns and brick. All I know is dope and pound. All I know is break it down. On the exit, on the hound. All these niggas always round. Yeah, they always talk they sounds. They ain't getting, they ain't known. Yeah, you know. Yeah, we on. For the nation, moving balls. Yeah, Schoolcraft. Twine, nigga. Hey, I'm gonna make it one day, nigga. I don't know when. Fuck it. I know I am. Hey, man, that was freestyle, dog. Quit playing, man. I do this for the nation, man. Wait till I start dropping this shit for real, man. Get it.